We built the walls, we made this safe, but open gates bring a darker fate. You said trust, you said peace, now we drown in shattered dreams. We let them in, we gave them a name, now echoes scream through halls of shame. Sirens wail, but no one comes, the city bleeds, the king stayed numb. Bow your heads, don't you speak, close your eyes, don't you see? But when the sun sets, who will fight? Who will stand when wrong feels right? Open gates, violent dreams. Who will pay for what they take? No more trust, no more lies. Now we watch as innocence dies. A promise is made, what's made, but now it's destruction takes place. The balances are never replaced. A promise made, a price was paid. Now shadows lurk where children played. A whispered deal, a quiet knife. One handshake cost 1,000 lives. You built the pyre, struck the match. Now the flames erase the past. Bury the truth, rewrite the tale. But we all see behind the veil. Fire, blood, no way out. Who's face now? No one shouts up. Lock your doors, pray for light, 'cause no one's coming in the night. They smiled, they waved, then they took, then they stayed. Now graves replace our homes, and silence swallows the stones. No more fear, tear it down. No more lies, burn the crown. If you won't speak,